Hey guys, this is a Boeing 757-300 RC airliner I've been building. I haven't been doing many build videos recently, so I thought I'd get this channel back up and going. This is what I have so far. I have the nose complete, got most of the wing built, center section of the fuselage and the tail mostly built. In this video I'll show you what I've done so far, as well as I'll build this part of the fuselage for you guys so you can see how I do it. If you haven't already, follow my Instagram. I post all the pictures up there. Like I said, I want to get build videos going. I have not been taking pictures up until this point, except for a few on my Instagram, so better late than never. So for my RC airliners, I always have to start with a plan source. These plans are free for the 757. They're from Hermitcraft on Facebook. I'll give you guys a link. They're very detailed, great for RC conversions. I blew it up 340% to 1/35 scale. So this actually is 61 inches long and has a 43-inch wingspan. As you can see, they're pretty detailed. They're great, and the most important part, they have formers and wing spars, which is really important for RC conversions. So when I build these RC airliners from Depron plans or from paper plans, I always start at the nose. I think the nose is by far the most important part of the build. The nose gives the plane, the characteristic and the scale look. And then after the nose, I move on to the tail section. I build the stabilizers straight out of the fuselage. It looks the best because it blends in very nicely, and these plans are good enough to have nice spars. So there's one spar there, and you can see through the phone there's a straight 90-degree spar. Makes it very stiff. This plane will have 2 elevators and a rudder, and the servos, as you can see, are already installed. These are 4-gram servos, by the way. The wing section and center fuselage section are next. I build these spars straight out of the fuselage. So these spars I scratch built. I had to design these, which is slightly difficult because if you look, the wing actually changes shape. Airliners at the root usually have a positive instance, so this has a scale airfoil on the front. And then this airfoil right here is where the engine pylons will connect, and this is 0 degrees distance relative to the fuselage. So I had to design the spars to do that. As you can see, the airfoil changes. Then the rest are just spars I added. Ailerons go here, and the battery hatch and receiver hatch will be on the bottom. And these plans are very nice. You can see how well the wing body fairing blends in. So let's finish up the fuselage, put it all together, and take some pictures. So here I have my 3mm Depron and the sheeting patterns laid out on top. I'm just going to cut that out with a number 11 X-Acto blade, then roll the Depron with a cardboard tube. Now I have my sheeting pieces and the formers cut out, and just making sure everything's straight. I'm going to glue those together just like this, and this is how the whole fuselage goes together. Now of course, if I have to add structure, say for nose gears and wing box stuff, I can add that in as I go, but it's very simple construction. Here's the airframe all put together. I had to double check the measurement of the fuselage because this thing really is very long. That's why they call it the flying pencil. I already have the nacelles printed out, and I'm ready to build those. And as you can see, I designed the engine pylons, so that'll be the next step. And then of course, it's going to be putting the servos in, covering the wing, and this thing will be ready to fly pretty soon. So look out for part 2.